What's up guys? Earlier this week, if you remember, supply chain reports claimed that Apple chip partner TSMC has started its own production for the system on chip that will be used in the next iPhone range, tentatively titled the A15. But now a new report talks about the displays which will be used in the upcoming iPhone models, and of course there are some upgrades, so watch the video till the last second. A South Korean tech site and one of the most reliable outlets called The Elect has reported that the display manufacturing wing of Samsung and LG are returning as panel producers for the iPhone 13 and have already started production of the needed OLED panels. The production is currently a month ahead of schedule compared to the iPhone 12, which suggests that we'll be seeing the new iPhone 13 models around September as it used to be before the iPhone 12, which was delayed due to reasons caused by the pandemic. Now talking about the upgrades, the Samsung made displays are being tipped to offer the ProMotion feature that's been present on the iPad Pro for several years, which means the refresh rates can be upped to 120Hz if needed, depending on what's happening on the screen at the time, but this upgrade could be limited to the Pro model solely. I say this because Samsung is exclusively manufacturing the lower temperature polycrystalline oxide thin film transistors, or the LTPO TFT OLED panels, which will be used for the two models for the first time, and the panels that will be used for the regular models will be splitted between Samsung and LG. Now Samsung has been using this LTPO panel since last year's Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, and even it was used in the Galaxy S21 series, which features a more efficient version of the tech. But if you're wondering what LTPO display actually does, well, in simple terms, the LTPO enables a screen to dynamically change its refresh rate according to whatever content is being played, and this helps optimize the power consumption. For instance, the refresh rate could drop to 10Hz when a static image is being shown, and it could increase to 120Hz when a game is being displayed. That being said, a faster refresh rate would mean a smoother experience in terms of visuals, from playing fast-paced games to opening app menus. Everything that happens on a 120Hz screen should feel sleeker and more fluid in comparison to the current batch of iPhones that have displays with a fixed rate of 60Hz. So yes, this is an upgrade but limited to the Pro models. In terms of shipment numbers, Samsung is thought to be producing 80 million units of the display for the new iPhone, with between 120 to 130 million total OLED panels anticipated to ship to Apple in 2021. For LG, it is apparently aiming for 30 million units for the iPhone 13 and a total of 50 million overall this year. So yes, that was a big upgrade about the display, but do comment if you were expecting a high refresh rate on the non-Pro models too, and if not, why. But till my next video, I bid you a good farewell.